This is where it all started. Born by the waves. I was told that I'm human, whatever that means. Soft and fragile, maybe. Like the creatures below. Always in need of protection. A weak construction. Seeking cover and shelter. I remember listening, crying out, and being answered. Below, and above the surface. The machines heard my cry. Scraper fished me out of the water and built me into this brittle robot. From a sketch to a proto to a soft-shell survivor. Now I know my way and my weakness, but there is so much I don't know. Who built me? The answer must be beyond that edge.
Rebel Nature takes you on an epic adventure in the near future to discover our own untold legend and rediscover what it will mean to be human. It's a universe of stories told on multiple media platforms aiming to reach and engage the largest possible audience. A new story universe built on science, fueled by fiction and striving for empathy. Because the inside of empathy is the strongest tool for human change. From a story set in the all-too-near future of a child brought up by a robot on an AI-controlled oil rig, we set out to discover and explore a universe threatened by the conflict between humanity, technology, and nature. The task of our main character, the orphan Res Waveborn, and her robot foster parent, Scraper, is to find a way to navigate in this epic conflict in search of hope and humanity. When technology is left unattended, when nature turns rebel, when a robot has to raise a child, when evolution twirls, when being human is redefined, when now is the time. This story is for the future, like a message in a bottle for coming generations. They will only know us for the stories we choose to tell.